Max, what are you doing? What are you doing? Nothing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
I thought you said you're skateboarding. Are you skateboarding?
Nothing.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
You're not skateboarding?
No.
No?
No.
God dang it. What?
Nothing.
You didn't do nothing. Okay. So you don't want me to do nothing then?
Yeah.
Do do what? Do what?
Nothing.
Nothing? Alright. Talking about?
Skate with him.
Skate with who?
The retard with the skateboard.
Who's the retard with the skateboard?
Guy.
What? Who do you want me to skate with? Who's the retard with the skateboard? What's What's his name?
Nothing.
His name's what? Alright then.